Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How would you react if somebody breaks into this place and tries to rob some of the...
He says, how would we react if someone breaks in and tries to rob the building?
Rob?
A thief. What would we do if a thief came in? In other words, would we be violent?
You shall punish him.
You should be violent?
Why not? It should be punished.
You would punish yourself? What will you do? Will you start attacking him?
No, ourselves or anyone, a thief is to be punished. A thief has to be punished. Ourselves or yourself, it doesn't matter. A thief is thief. He should be punished.
What if he breaks in because he's hungry?
Who breaks?
He says, what if he breaks in because he's hungry? What if he becomes in as a thief because he wants some food?
We said everyone come and eat. Why he should remain hungry? We invite everyone, come here, eat. No charge, we don't charge. So why should remain hungry? Let us increase this program. All hungry men of Melbourne city, come here, take your eating, sumptuous. We invite, come on. Why you should remain hungry?
What if he's an alcoholic and he's hungry?
Huh?
We have a couple of alcoholics that come here and we give them food every night.
You do?
Yes.
Just like the Golden House.
Yes, they come, we feed them. Like we have a feast every Sunday, they come, we give them food.
It requires little time to practice. Otherwise, it is open for everyone, for information.
But you would have your limitations how far you can go in feeding people.
He says we would have our limitations of how many people we could feed.
We can feed unlimitedly, provided the government helps. We have
You could make a place where people, destitute people, could come and have a free meal. Like
Oh yes. Everyone, we open to everyone. You come and take.
Could the government, in a word, use you?
No, we cannot be used by the government. We can use the government.
Yeah.
Government cannot dictate us. That will not help.
Just a moment. Just a moment. The government doesn't. In the fact that we have a lot of destitutes to look after. And you feel your religious order or would like to help people. If the government subsidizes you to provide these services.
That we can.
That you can do. As long as they don't contradict you.
No. Our principle is this.
I mean, there are a lot of church organizations taking children.
You can see one day, if you kindly come early in the morning and stay one day, you see our activity, how nicely we are doing. And then do the needful.
I don't come here as a person. I'm representing my department.
Now, whatever it may
that's
be.
what you convince me or not is a society issue. I can only say that we're dealing with very poor people. You tell me what you're doing, then I say, but something can be combined. Well, I can say to the minister that will emerge, and it goes on from there.
They
so
can
I go back to my other duties.
Give us some contribution per capita for taking care. Then we can invite, we can increase the accommodation. Now we are doing, we have no business, no income. We are selling our books. So our income is limited. Still we invite anyone come. But if government encourages us, then we can increase the program.
Yeah. Well, of course, it's a political decision. I can only say that
It is above politics.
Fine?
It is above politics.
From your point of view, but or in the department depend on political decisions.
The department means there another setup.
Yes, it's just an instrument, yes, for public will. The minister is elected according to public will in our society.
Because they have made a department, just like your, what is the department?
Social welfare.
Social welfare. So if they find social welfare, why not help? Why they bring politics? If actually there is social welfare here, why they should not support it?
Yeah, well, you're right. But in our society, minister is elected to carry out certain policies. Not what he wants, but what the people sort of voted for. And say our text to support.
And if your policy is social reformation,
social reform is not our policy.
then social welfare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.